So this is day 3 of the seeds. I wasn't able to film this afternoon, but I don't think nothing's coming up. It's only day 3, but I got a good feeling about the outcome. So watered. This is the 3rd time watering. So I'm gonna be concerned about this area because I caught the male lady walking across this area here. So this is day 3. I don't see any hairs or anything. I'm just keeping it moist. Got some seed under the dirt. I got some seed on. I got seed everywhere. I laid it heavy, so hopefully it comes up. This side I'm not gonna be. I'm not too thrilled about. Ran out of dirt. I could go to the store and fill it in this weekend. I would like to, but I'm just looking for hairs at this point. Once I see little fine look, I believe the stem. Well, you know, the grass itself, but they first they look like little hairs. So once I see those hairs, then I feel real good about about what I did. So far so good. I expect to see something this weekend.